Welcome back. Niti Aayog Part 2, Subject Indian Economy, Unit 5. Myself Dr. Santosh, Faculty Department of Economics, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, affiliated to University of Madras. Let's see the meaning of Niti Aayog. Institution for Transforming India. COE is Mr. Amitabh Kant. Niti Aayog replaced 5-year plans which was from 1950 under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was formed in the year 2015 on 1st January by Government of India. Headquarters is in New Delhi, established by Prime Minister Narendra Modi after having dissolved the Planning Commission. The aim of Niti Aayog is to foster involvement and participation in the economic policy making process by state governments of India. Chairperson is headed by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Let's see the channel of Niti Aayog. It starts from Chief Minister of all the states, Lieutenant Governors of Union Territories, then Prime Minister, experts, specialists and practitioners, Vice Chairman, ex officio members, then Chief Executive Officer. Let's see the differences, or we can see the comparative study of Niti Aayog and Planning Commission. Niti Aayog, it is an advisory body or a think tank, the powers to allocate funds vested in the Finance Ministry, whereas Planning Commission enjoyed the powers to allocate funds to ministries and state government. Niti Aayog have 2 full-time members, whereas Planning Commission had 8 full-time members. Niti Aayog includes the Chief Minister of all the states, Lieutenant Governors of all the Union Territories, devolving more powers to the states of the Union, whereas Planning Commission, states' role was limited to the National Development Council and annual interaction during plan meetings. Niti Aayog to be known as the COE and to be appointed by the Prime Minister, that is headed by Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Kant, whereas Planning Commission headed by secretaries or member secretaries appointed by official usual process. Niti Aayog have part-time members depending on need from time to time, whereas Planning Commission had no provision for part-time members, that is, it have only full-time members. Niti Aayog have governing council, has state chief ministers and lieutenant governors, whereas Planning Commission, the commission reported to National Development Council that had state chief ministers and lieutenant governors of union territories. Let's see the nature of Niti Aayog. In short, it is a think tank and does not have powers to impose policies, whereas Planning Commission had powers to impose policies and tied allocation of funds with projects it approved. This is the website link for Niti Aayog. Thank you.